Now our motor determine voltage V of AB. So how can be determined? If you determine current in this branch, then you can easily determine V of AB. So I know that we are using here current division rule. What about current division rule? Here current I, here current resistance R1, here resistance R2, here R1, here R2. Otherwise you can use lot of method. Okay, if you determine I1 according to current division rule, I1 is equal to Is into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Very simple. Okay, I1 is equal to Is into multiplication of this one divided by sum of these two resistance. So if this circuit converted like that, okay, simply this one, this one, this one, this one, and making like that one. Current direction 4 ampere. Okay, that is A and B. That point A and that point B. Okay, now A to B, and that point is suppose that C, and that point, sorry, that point is C and that point is D. Okay, A, here B, if current direction D to C, that is D, and that is C, D to C. Okay, so C to A connected 10 ohm, C to A connected 10 ohm, simply that is 10 ohm. A to C, A to D 5 ohm, that is 5 ohm, and B to D that is 15 ohm, that is 15 ohm, B to C that is 10 ohm. Okay, clear or not? So our motto determine I1 and here that is I2. First of all, determine I1 and I2 with the help of current division rule. Okay, if first of all check that one and that one are opposite direction, so that one is positive. Now look here, that is 4 ampere and that is one I1 and I2 both are opposite direction. So I1 is equal to written. What about I1? I1 simply how much? 4 plus 4, 4 into 4 into sum of these two resistance, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 ohm, divided by how much? That one 15 plus 25, that is 15 plus 25. So I1 is finally written as 100 divided by, that is 40. So 10 by 4. 10 by 4 means 5 by 2 ampere. Okay. 5 by 2, it means that one is written as 2.5 ampere. That is I1. Okay. Now what about I2? I know that I1 plus I2 is equal to 4 ampere according to Kirchhoff's law. So simply you can determine I2 is 4 minus I1, 2.5, so that is 1.5 ampere. Okay, so I1 and I2 we got. I1 from A to D, A to D, A to D, I1, A to D, I1, I1 is how much? 2.5, Okay, and B2D, how much current? That is 1.5 ampere. Our motor determine V of AB. So V of AB means that is that is VA and that is VB. Okay, so how can determine V of AB? Now look, if this one is a positive terminal, that one is negative terminal. So that one is V of that one written as B2A, BA. Okay, so minus to plus, minus VA plus 1.5 plus 2.5 into how much? 5 plus direction of current, apply KVL. One 1.5 into 15, this is equal to 0. So V of BA is written as, that one is written as 2.5 into 5, that is how much? 12.5. Okay, minus 15 into 15, that is how much? 2.5, that is how much? 12 point, that is 10 volt, minus 10 volt. So that is V of BA. So if written as a V of AB, so that is 10 volt. Okay, so which option is correct option? B is the correct option. Make it.